How to draw SpongeBob SquarePants step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're just going to begin by drawing the outline of the body. So let's begin by drawing a curvy line going up and down. In total, there should be around 5 curves. So we still have to make 3 more sides since we have 1 done. Let's go ahead and draw the second side right up here, which will be going from left to right. This side and all of the other sides should also have around 5 curves. Nicely done. Now let's go ahead and connect those 2 bottom points by drawing another curvy line going from left to right. So now we have the outline of the top of SpongeBob's body drawn. For the next step, we're going to want to draw the outline of his shorts, which will be a simple rectangular shape that will be attached to the bottom. So let's start right here. So now that we have the outline of SpongeBob's shorts drawn, we can now add detail to the inside, so let's begin by drawing a small tie. Now once we have that small tie drawn, the next step will be to draw a line going across from left to right. This line should be fairly straight, and it's going to go ahead and split the top and bottom half sides of the shorts. Now on the top side of that line that we just made, on the left and right hand side of the tie, let's go ahead and draw a small V line on each side. This will help us make the collar of SpongeBob's shirt. Next, on the bottom side of the line, let's go ahead and draw small rectangular shapes that are filled in completely black. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like, share with your friends, and subscribe so that we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Now connected to the bottoms of the shorts, we're going to want to draw small shapes where SpongeBob's legs will come out of. So let's start right here on the left hand side, and we'll make this shape for each side, the left and the right. Now we'll draw the legs coming out of the shapes. So to draw the legs, let's draw a small curved line that is pointing upwards with 2 long lines attached to it. These 2 long lines will be the legs. Now keep in mind that when we draw the next side, we're going to want to make sure that each side is similar in length. So now that we have the legs drawn, we can now draw the shoes. So let's go ahead and start on the right hand side. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast or if you ever fall behind, then feel free to pause the video or rewind as you need to. Fantastic! Now let's go ahead and draw the other shoe as well. And at the end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now for the last step of the lower body before we color, let's go ahead and draw a small curved line on each leg to help separate the legs and the socks. Now if you're all done, let's continue. For the next step, on the right and left hand side of the body, let's go ahead and draw the arm sleeves. Now coming out of each arm sleeve, beginning on the right hand side, we're now going to draw the arms as well as the hands. Each hand should have a total of 4 fingers. Also, the length of each arm and hand should come just past the length of the shorts. Fantastic! So far we're making great progress. Now let's go ahead and do the exact same thing on the left hand side that we just did on the right. So now that we have the outline of the body drawn, we're now going to want to add detail to the inside of the face. So let's begin by drawing the nose by making a small curved line. Now right below the nose, we're now going to draw the mouth. So let's begin by drawing 2 small curved lines with a long line attaching each of them. Fantastic! Now the mouth of SpongeBob in today's drawing will be open, so let's go ahead and draw an additional curved line that will connect from the left hand side all the way over to the right. Now on the inside of the mouth that we just made, we're going to want to draw a tongue on the bottom along with 2 teeth that look similar to squares on the top. Now to the left and right hand side of the nose, we're now going to want to draw the dimples of SpongeBob by making a small curved line with 3 dots on the inside. Nicely done. Now let's do the same thing on the right hand side right here. Now for the next step, we will now draw the outline of the eyes. So we're going to draw a curved line that will connect from the left dimple that we just drew to the nose. And let's make the same size curved line on the right side as well, just so that one eye doesn't look bigger or smaller than the other. Next, on the inside of each of the eyes that we just drew, we're now going to want to draw the inside of the eyes. So let's draw a small black circle with an outlined circle around it. Nicely done. We're almost finished. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side as well. Once we're all done with this side, we'll then draw the eyelashes. Now for the last step, just like I previously mentioned, we'll now draw the eyelashes by drawing skinny rectangular shapes that are pointing upwards. In total, each eye should have 3 eyelashes. This is how to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. Don't forget the next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. And don't forget that if you enjoyed today's drawing, then be sure to give it a big like and comment down below what your favorite part of today's video was. Also, if you have any other drawing requests, be sure to comment them down below as well. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed today's SpongeBob drawing, then be sure to check out my drawing of SpongeBob SquarePants' pineapple down below. Thanks for drawing today, see you next time.